To use Crypto.com on your PC, start by going to the Crypto.com website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email. Click on the link provided to verify your email address. Once your account is verified, you will be prompted to set up two-factor authentication. This is an additional layer of security to protect your account. You can use the Google Authenticator app or another authenticator app of your choice. After setting up two-factor authentication, you will be taken to the Crypto.com dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your account, including your balance, transaction history, and portfolio. You can navigate to different sections of the platform using the menu on the left side of the screen. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies, click on the Buy or Sell button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, and enter the amount. You can use a credit or debit card, or a bank transfer to fund your account. Be aware of the fees associated with each payment method. To send or receive cryptocurrencies, click on the Transfer button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send or receive, and enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to double-check the wallet address to avoid any errors. It is essential to keep your account and transactions secure. Use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Also, be aware of the market volatility and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto.com also offers a range of other features, including a cryptocurrency wallet, a credit card, and a lending platform. The wallet allows you to store your cryptocurrencies securely. The credit card allows you to spend your cryptocurrencies in real time. And the lending platform allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, using Crypto.com on your PC is straightforward. Start by signing up and verifying your account. Then navigate to the dashboard to buy, sell, send, or receive cryptocurrencies. Always prioritize security and be aware of the market risks.